let's find out, is the iPhone 8 and iPhone 10 even worth buying in 2023, as we have updated them to the latest iOS 16.4.1. So let's try some heavy games in this test such as PUBG, Asphalt 9, Free Fire and video rendering, just to find out how they will stack up against each other on the latest iOS update. So without any further ado, this video is sponsored by Ultfone iOS system repair application. If you are facing any kind of issues on your iOS device, such as if your iPhone is disabled, stuck it logo, in short, any problem related to your iOS device can be fixed with Ultfone iOS repair software. It's very easy to use. You can fix 150 plus iOS problem with your fingertips. Even if you are not enjoying the iOS 16, you can simply downgrade your iPhone to iOS 15 with Ultfone repairing application. Just simply download it from its official site, which I have already mentioned down below. Install it to your desktop, run the application. There are 150 plus of problem listed. Find yours and select the specific option. After that, connect your device to the desktop, follow the instructions and it will detect your iPhone and simply run the process and your device will be fixed within few minutes. The paid versions are also very affordable. You can get 1 year subscription at discounted price. If you are having any issues in your iPhone, simply install this at your desktop and fix your iPhone in few minutes. Now let's get back to work, starting with the boot up test, and here we go. And okay, the logos has appeared. We have V11 Bionic on both sides, but let's see what's the difference. And also at the end, I will share my honest opinion about which should you buy. And okay, as you can see that the iPhone 8 very quick there, while the iPhone 10 took quite longer while booting up. Anyway, the real test is about to happen, but first let me confirm everything is closed on the background and we are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now sit back, enjoy the music, and let's find out the quickest one between them. Welcome back. We are done with the speed test, and according to this comparison, the difference was very minimal between them while doing heavy tasks. But let me tell you one thing, to be very honest, both of them are not recommended for heavy gamers, as the iPhone 8 has also not a good battery life in 2023 because it's almost 5 years old, which is recommended to social users. While same goes for the iPhone 10, if you are looking for the best camera phone, then you should consider the iPhone 10, which is very affordable but has got a good camera result in low price range devices. So that's it. Let me know your opinions in the comment section right below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.